Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can link various social media platforms, streaming platforms, gaming platforms to your Discord account. So first of all, go to your Discord account and log into your Discord account. And here you will see this user settings on the bottom left corner of your screen. And if you are on mobile device, then just click on your profile picture, then you will be able to open up your settings. And in your settings you will see this list of options, and here choose this option of connections, and after that click on view more, and you will see various options to connect your Discord from. Like you can connect your Discord to PayPal, Reddit, Steam, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and there are many other options. So let me connect with some of them so you can see how we can actually do it. And I'm not going to connect with all of them, just I will just connect the YouTube and Twitch part, and then I will give you more info on how you can stream using Twitch and different options to enable in order to have a smooth streaming experience using your Discord account. So let's connect our YouTube first. So click on YouTube icon and then select the account that you want to connect your YouTube to. Then click on allow. And see, this is how easy it is. Now your YouTube account is connected to your Discord account, and you will also see this option of display on profile. If you enable it, then people will be able to see it on your profile and can directly go to your YouTube account by just clicking on it. Now let's see how we can connect with our Twitch, and then we will see some other options for a smooth streaming experience. So let's connect our Twitch, click on it, and after that just fill up your details. Then Twitch will send a verification code to your email. Then open up your email and type in the verification code. Then you will have to authorize in order to connect your Twitch with your Discord account. Then just click authorize. It will not take much time, and this is how Twitch can also be connected to Discord. And in the same way you can add other platforms as well to your Discord account, and it is quite easy. And if you still find any difficulties, you can always comment down below on this video and we will be happy to help you. Now let's see the other options I was talking about. So in this list you will be able to find this streamer mode option. After scrolling down a little bit, just click on it and make sure that it is enabled, because this will help you with your streaming and it will give you a good experience for your Twitch. And also connecting your Twitch account to your Discord account will enable your Discord members to know that you are live on Twitch, and other benefits are also included in it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.